My name is Paul Hernandez. I am a utility supervisor for the Wastewater Line Maintenance Repair side. I've been with the city for about 16 years now, started in 2003. A day in the life of my job would consist of, we discuss what type of repairs are going to be done during the day. I send those guys out to their repairs. During their repairs, I'll make brief visits to them to make sure that they're doing their work properly, make sure that they're safe in their work, and make sure that they're not hurting or destroying any type of property.
He can't hear what we're saying, so we use various signals like scratching, closing the bucket, open the bucket, down, left, right. And it's very important that we watch what we're doing so we won't damage the utility.
All right, y'all gonna get down in there and see if that's what you hit? Come on, let's take a look at it. Grease is probably one of the hugest issues we have. It's a domino effect, actually. The main lines will back up, the services will back up, the backups go into the homes and create a lot of damage. We also have the roots issue, which is something that just naturally occurs, which can cause quite an issue.
What has happened is these roots found a way into there and clogged it up, just like so.
What's kept me here at the city for 16 years is definitely the people. Everybody works well together. I'm a people person and I love hanging around people and talking to people and discussing, their history or what they've been through and problems that they have. And it's very fulfilling to be able to be here every day working with the group of guys that I have. This city's great and it's growing every day and it'll only become a greater place.